Hello guys, good morning. Today I am going to teach you how HTML for beginners. HTML means you guys already know about this. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML markup language that defines structure and content of the web pages. Okay, this HTML is invented by Tim Berners-Lee, 1991. Okay guys, we will go to the topic first. We will create one folder. Okay, I have created hello world 1. Right click, open with code. Create one file, make it as a file name index.html. .html file we have to save. Enter. Okay guys, for that HTML we have to write like this. If I want to run from the browser. Okay, body, no, sorry, not body. First double one, head, afterwards body. We have to type this, right? Something, make it one tag h2 and like this. I will show you one thing. This will come automatically, boiler code. It will come automatically, guys. No need to type any single word. Okay, press shift and exclamatory 1, enter. See guys, boiler code will come, and inside body section h1 suggestions will come, then enter. Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, we have to run this file, right? Right click, open with live server. See guys, hello everyone, good morning. It is printed, right? Okay, I will show you. I will add some style for this. Color, make it as a blue violet. Save the file, go to the browser. Changing, right? If you guys wanted to change something here, you guys can change like this. Okay, go to the browser. It is changing, right? Okay, this is what guys, how to run HTML file from the VS Code. Now I will teach you guys how to run this file, same file, using notepad also we can run. Okay, I will show you that also. Notepad, open. Okay, HTML. head, body, H1, hello, good morning. Save the file, Control S, hello, world.html. We have to save .html like that. Save the file, go to the file path, documents, hello world, right click, show more options, no sorry, open with Google Chrome. See guys, hello, good morning, it is printed, right? Okay guys, in heading tags, 6 heading tags is there from H1 to H6. From H1 is font size is large, it means bigger. It will decrease the font size H1 to H2, H2 to H3 like that. This is what guys I will teach you from next video H1 to H6 heading tags. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.